Yeah, and had his rifle shot there, over.
I heard that big old black dog out there a long time out there. Hey, fat man, I don't know where you at out there, but you be careful out there. I heard that dog that just wild. Hey, you almost got that old bulldog. I'm trying to get that dog, man. They're gone.
Hey, Bulldog, we're going to pistol grip New York City. Hey, Bulldog, we're going to pistol grip 127 New York City. Oh, pistol grip 127 New York with the video gate. I'm off this key.
2-5, you know. I know you more later. You and that big old black dog. 903.com, over.
903.com. Look at New York City, baby. Hey, 903, look at pistol grip 127 New York City. Hello. I guess I got no condition. I guess me and my tiny watch station got no condition. Pistol grip 127 New York City. Back quiet.
I couldn't even make out what that man was saying. Hello, pistol grip 571. Oh, God. I guess they think if they're screaming in the microphone, it's going to get them get out a little bit better.
I don't know. I heard you say 5'7", I think. They're working the pistol grip 127 New York City video gate. Pistol grip 127 New York City video gate is now back quiet.
Pistol grip 571. I heard you in there say you didn't have no condition, but you got condition around that as pistol. Hello, pistol grip 571 and
Roger, right on, Mr. 571. You made the pistol grip 127 New York video gate. Hey, 571 around Big D Dallas, you made the pistol grip 127 YouTube video gate. Pistol grip 127 New York City, back quiet.
No excuses. No excuses. He's over there crying about being on a driver. That dog a little bit, but that driver, well, it got a little rough that time. The pistol grip, and you run what you brung. You run what you brung. Well, Mother Nature do this time of day. Well, pistol grip, I think you said you went up diesel well.
Roger, right on 571. You have yourself a super blessed day. Pistol grip 127 New York City on YouTube. Pistol grip 127 New York City on YouTube. I'm off the key.
Okay, I mean, back read the bell. I heard somebody that come in, they wasn't talking to me, but I heard them when I was plugging in. I mean, back read the bell. Bulldog needs a flea bath, too.
Roger, right on 571. Have a super blessed day. Pistol grip 127 New York City, by quiet. I'm going to post your 571 video gate in a little while. Pistol grip 127 New York City video gate is now rolling. I'm back quiet.
Oh, he's video gate. No. Look out. We all going to be famous.
Well, I don't know about famous, sir, but you're sounding good in my video gate, that's for sure. Pistol grip 127 New York on the quiet side.
Hey, 308. Hey, 308. Bulldog, he wants to go get a flea bath. Hey, 308. Bulldog wants to go get a flea bath. Hello, 5 around the Keystone. Old Bulldog say, what's up? Yeah, folks, around North Carolina, what's going on? You got conditions out there.
127, New York City, Cock-a-doodle-doo, Rooster 903. You made my video gate sound choice. Pistol Grip 127, New York clear.
Good day, rest of the day at work there, man. Hope you have a good old weekend. And that old bulldog. GS35B. GS35B. There's only 50 watts going into it. 50 watts in that GS35. Tube over there. Hello, big brother. Hello, big brother. Big 5. Big one. 571. Big brother, come out. 131. Big horn. Video 45. 31. In Houston. Got down.
Pistol Grip 127, New York City, video gate still rolling. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. I'm off this key.
Where are you, big brother? Well, you sound like a big brother too, Captain. That's right. So you claim my radio completely out. Well, please do a little around your asshole, big brother. I'm gonna get out of here right on clearance while I get some nuts on my head. So I'll send the one to the welfare station, all right?
31, all up in the Pistol Grip, New York video gate. 31, Pistol Grip 127, New York City. 31, Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. You all up in my gate. I'm off the key. Pistol Grip 127, New York City. 31, 127, New York. 31, I'm clear. Roger, right on. 31, 127, 31, 127, 31, 127, 31, 127, clear. Tell him 127 said sit back. 831, tell him 127 said sit back. 831, look at 127 video gate, New York, I'm clear. nobody plugging his ears. Ain't nobody plugging his ears. Ain't nobody plugging his ears. 31, 127 clear. Roger, right on 31. No, we are plugging around New York, 127 New York with the video gate. I'm clear.
Yo, 27, 531.
You know I ain't gonna let you get away with that too much longer, right, Miguel?
Hey, look, man, the way you done
Hey, dog, we're gonna pistol grip New York City video gate. Hey, dog, we're gonna pistol grip New York City video gate. Dog, no watch, New York City got down. Eight 31 127, 831 127, 831 127 video gate New York clear.
You better put that line back in your private cat, Bill. Get out the road, blaze 571 down.
Tell pistol grip 127 YouTube New York City clear.
We're in Texas.
Hey, Blade, stop stepping on Michael Jackson, Blade. Pistol grip 127 New York video gate clear. Hey, 1104, can you say 127 New York? Hey, 1104, look at 127 New York City. 1104, no watch, 127 clear. No contact, 1104, pistol grip 127 New York City clear.